Hey everyone, welcome to a new video where I'll be talking about AI UGC. Basically, it stands for user-generated content, meaning content created by users with artificial intelligence. There are various tools for this like Creatify, Add Creative, Make UGC, and more. We can use whichever suits us best, but let's take Creatify as an example, okay? So here, for instance, it'll generate an ad for us, right? For our product, be it e-commerce or anything else. And typically in these cases, we use an AI avatar. What's an avatar? Well, an avatar is an image or set of images of a person, supposedly real or based on a real person. And this image is animated. It's animated by syncing the lip movements with speech, adding eye blinks and so on. Got it? This tool, for example, lets us write the script using AI, which is common for this type of content, and then submit it. So if we're ready to begin, we just hit start on this or any other tool, and we can get going. Alright, what's the key for AI generated content or AI UGC, user generated content, to be effective? Well, it's often tricky to make it work, not because it's AI made. We often see AI generated content that performs really well, like with tools such as Clipwise we've featured on the channel. So where's the real key? The key is in the type of content we want to create. Let's assume we're making short form content, which is ideal for beginners. It prevents burnout from long videos and editing. The trick is adding dynamism. How can we add dynamism? Through movements or images with constant motion. A rule states that every 2 seconds a new shot or element should appear on screen. There's also the 3-second rule, which I find flawed. It says you have 3 seconds to grab attention at the start of a video. In reality, you have just one. You must surprise viewers in the very first frame, either by your appearance or what you're showing. Research your content niche, study competitors, and add your unique value. Obviously, many generic things can be said, but until you actually do it, you won't be able to do it correctly. It requires practice. Though it seems AI can generate viral videos easily, that's simply not the case. Video editing is always evolving. If we see the same content 10 times, we'll be bored by the 11th and instantly skip it. So constant innovation is crucial, and AI won't provide that innovation for us. AI might let us avoid showing our face, voice, or ideas, but we still need to ensure the content has viral potential. Alright, how can we create our own avatar to make AI generated content? Well, it's user generated content but with artificial intelligence. Basically, we have several options, right? There are many tools that allow us to create avatars. I've chosen the one from Creatify, but we've shown many more on the channel and there are plenty more out there, but since they all work similarly, you don't need to worry too much about it. Just a heads up, these products usually come with a cost, okay? These tools typically aren't free, obviously. So let's go to videos or avatars, whatever we prefer, and hit create now, okay? Let's create an avatar video, for example. If we want to make an avatar video, it lets us choose the avatar here, alright? Let's say this girl, and we can input text, "Hello, welcome to this video," or we can use the AI writer. Everyone can adapt this to their needs, right? We click next, and it should let us make the video. As you see, it asked me to log in. Again, this depends on the tool. You might ask, is it really that simple? Pick an avatar, add text, and it makes the video. Yes, it's that easy, which is why this idea has gained so much attention. People see it's easy, works, and think, easy money. Again, it doesn't have to be that way, okay? Sure, some have made easy money, but for every success, many others haven't, right? On the other hand, we can create our own avatar if we want to add more life to it, and as you see, we can design it. So having your own avatar or turning a photo into an avatar, right? This depends on what each person wants to do. I'll repeat, there are many AI avatar tools, not just this one. It's about experimenting, but again, it's not just about the avatar you choose, which is important, of course. If you're targeting gym goers, you'll use a fit person, right? Or if you're selling beauty products, you'll try to match the avatar to the product. For women's products, use a female avatar. For men's, use a male avatar, okay? And so on. Basically, you need to be clear about your target audience. So yeah, it's that straightforward.